Hello again. So I've made a few of these videos and I've actually started editing some of them now. And in editing them, I wonder if I'm being a little bit hard on myself. If I'm expecting to be too far along. Because I keep on looking at my accuracy rate. And my accuracy rate is around 88 to 92% most of the time. And I think that's pretty decent considering I've been doing this for, I don't know, a couple of days under a month. So what I think I've decided is that from here on out, I'm going to do, if I get over 90% in my accuracy rate, I'm going to allow myself to move on to another topic and start learning new words. And then I'll give myself maybe a week of doing reviews and the quizzing to see if I get that well. And then if I do that the next week, if I'm over 90%, I'll move on to the next one. That's my plan at the moment. That's currently what I think. Also, one of the things I've noticed in editing is I very rarely actually look at the camera. I spend a lot of time looking like this and looking around. I need to get better at looking at the camera because I'm talking to you, person who's watching this, if there is anyone watching this. Anyway, without further ado, I've been practicing today. Let me just start recording the screen. So here we go. Screen recording. 3, 2, 1. Boom. We're recording the screen. Right, let's go to the app. And we're in. So yeah, I've been practicing quite a lot today. So it would be intriguing to see what my accuracy rate is. So I think we should start off with, I always find the Review Dojo much better. Well, not much better, much easier than the quiz mode. So let's go with the Review Dojo first. Right, let's start learning. I've tackled all the words. Keep practicing. There are no more words available for optimal learning. I want to keep practicing, yeah. See, this kind of goes with what I'm saying. Right. Let me just pause that real quick. Yeah, this kind of goes with what I'm saying. Even the app's telling me to move on, but I don't know. I just don't feel like I'm getting it enough. Maybe, like I say, maybe I'm being hard on myself. Anyway, let's go. Have I got the volume up? No? Classic.
優惠券
Well, that's got to be voucher because sunglasses is Tai Yung Nangang. And my favorite word refrigerator is 雪櫃。
優惠券太陽眼鏡雪櫃
My favorite word.
雪櫃
Let's go. I feel like I'm going to be confident with these.
士多啤梨
Strawberry.
士多啤梨餅
Muffin.
餅細妹
Sister.
細妹書
Book.
書
It's book.
星期四
That's Thursday.
星期四
Ooh. Bomb.
6月
Yeah, I've even got the character that time.
人
Human.
人收銀
Till.
收銀生果
Fruit.
生果
Oh, no. Oh, okay.
恤衫海灘
That definitely wasn't guesswork, the last one. Promise. I don't promise.
海灘
I knew that one.
黑色黑色
Okay.
藍色
Ooh, I think that's blue.
藍色
Yeah. Ooh, I actually might know the first character of this. Are you ready? Yeah. And I think I might even know the second character of this. This might be a first. I might be confident I've actually got the characters. Oh, I was so confident. I was so confident.
啡色、金色、
I'm also disappointed. So that's gold.
金色、
Okay. Mm. Yeah, okay.
綠色、
I technically still haven't got any wrong yet because it gives you a couple of goes. So, okay.
銀色、
So the fourth one along on the screen, that's definitely the last one because I've seen the pattern repeat. So I've just got to figure out the first one. Okay.
白色、
Okay, here we go. Still on a roll. Fingers crossed it stays that way.
蛋、
That's egg.
蛋、香腸、
That's sausage,
香腸、蛋糕、
which is obviously now cake.
蛋糕、
Oh,
食譜、
hmm.
玻璃杯、
That's glass.
玻璃杯、乾杯、乾
Cheers.
杯、罐、罐、
Okay,
球、
that's ball.
球、
What is your name? I feel like that is going to be Negyu Memeng.
你叫咩名？
Close.
你叫咩名？
And this is going to be your
肉、肉、蝦、
shrimp.
蝦、
Ooh, this is a tough one to come in here. Oh, mm. Okay. Oh, am I going to get it right? Am I going to get it right? Yes.
口膠、收銀機、
That is cash register. Yeah.
收銀機。尋日、
Okay. Gone boy. I don't know the characters for this. Okay. Oh, I've got to get this right now. Yeah.
乾杯、
Okay, we're still on a roll.
7月、
Okay.
吉他、吉他、
Tuna is Tana Yu.
吞拿魚、
Tana Yu.
吞拿魚、上、上、
Let's see how I did. How did I do? I got a perfect session. I mean, with the characters, they give you a lot of leeway to say that you got that right because I don't get it right exactly first time, and some of them I managed to just luck into getting right by guesswork. But I'm taking it. It's a perfect session. Right, let's see how we do on the quiz mode. My current accuracy is at 93%. I feel like I'm going to be allowed to move myself on. Which I'm quite excited about because I quite like the idea of most common verbs. That'd be pretty helpful. What can people say at a farmer's market? See, these kind of questions make it weird because you can say whatever you want at a farmer's market. There might be consequences to it, but you can say whatever you want. Anyway,
多謝。
thank you.
芝士、
That's cheese. You could say that at a farmer's market.
不給糖就搗蛋。
I don't know what that is. I think I know that. I think that is trick or treat.
芝士
So I'm going with cheese. It was trick or treat. Yeah, the tongue bit got me, because that means sugar or sweets. It's in sweets as well. Process of elimination. I'm talking to myself again in my living room. Well, I'm talking to a camera. Well, I'm talking to you if you're watching this through the camera. Anyway, how can people talk about where something is?
細妹周圍
That's like around.
入面
Don't know what that is.
椒鹽卷餅
Don't know what that is.
周圍
So I think that's around.
細妹
Is that in the middle? I'm going with that. Oh, hang on.
細妹入面細妹
I'm saying that. Oh. Oh well. Which of these refer to people in a family?
女
Okay, I think that's
女
daughter.
熱朱古力
That's hot chocolate.
彩虹
I think that's rainbow.
麵包
That's bread.
老公
I think that is either husband or wife. I think it's husband.
女
Yeah, okay, I got all those right. Select the fruits.
個底士多啤梨
We know that's a fruit.
櫻桃祖母
That's definitely not, because that is grandmother.
包裹士多啤梨櫻桃
That's cherry. Oh, okay, pick the two. I wonder
包裹
what that is.
個底
And I wonder what that is. I've obviously learned them. Okay, so
櫻桃
those are the right answers. Oh. Bottom and parcel. Parcel. As if I'm going to remember that. Select the drinks. I'll have a little drink myself. Okay, select the drinks.
女
Daughter.
日出
That's like morning, I think.
男仔
Don't know what that is.
熱朱古力
That's hot chocolate. That's a drink.
牛奶 咖啡
That's coffee.
牛奶男仔
It's not that, because I think that's like sun.
牛奶
What is that then? No. What is that? Is that milk? Might be milk. Let's see. It is milk. Oh boy. Well, yeah, I thought it was sun, but it's boy. Sunrise, not morning. Kind of similar. In the right ballpark. Select the months.
星期五
That's what's that? That's like the fifth day. So is that fifth day? Yeah, that's like the fifth day. So that would be what? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
星期四
That's also a day.
4月
That is March. No, April. Yeah, April. Yeah.
星期
That's another day.
二、星期一、
That's another day.
9月、
That's the 9th month, isn't it? I think that's the 9th month, so that would be what, September. September and April, and the others were days. Yeah. Good. What's the first month of the year?
1月、
Just by looking at them, I can tell it's that one. Yeah. Oh, that's finishing the quiz already? Huh. I enjoyed that. What's my accuracy now? The crucial point? 93%. And I've practiced 173 words today. So that means that next time I video, probably tomorrow evening, that means I can move on to, what was it? Most common verbs. Is it going to tell me what's in there? Oh yeah, these will be handy. Oh, I've already learned one. I live in, I walk, I make, I sit, I hear, I don't want, I come, I sleep, I drink, I eat, I ask, I call, I think. There's a lot. I speak, I write, I don't know. Yeah, there's a lot there. Some of them I've already learned somehow. In other things, obviously. But yeah, so that's that. I'm just going to stop recording now. And yeah, I guess it's time to do that thing where I go, subscribe, tell your friends, do a blog yourself about, or a vlog yourself about how great this is, if you think it's great. Yeah, notifications, stuff like that. Any tips, any help, any words of encouragement, that'd be nice as well. Yeah. If you hate me, then just don't watch. Don't bother putting nasty comments in. There's no point. The world's got enough people doing that already. And let's face it, if you do that sort of thing, you're just a bit of a knob, really. Anyway, I'll see you later.